Hi, today let's make tasty rasam. It is an instant rasam, no prep needed, no dal. Very quickly it will be done. Very simple to make. In a pan, you need to add in some cumin seeds, peppercorns. Then I'm adding in some coriander seeds. Then you need to add in some dry red chilies along with some curry leaves and garlic cloves. Please note the measurements. And the ingredients are on the screen. Dry roast it really very well till it's aromatic and keep it aside. Now into a blender, I'm adding in chopped tomatoes along with some green chilies, and then I'm adding this roasted spices and then blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now in a pot, I've added in oil. Once the oil has heated, I'm adding in some mustard seeds along with some hing and curry leaves. When it starts spluttering, add in the chopped tomatoes. Here there is no dal or anything. Tomato will be the base for our rasam. So the tomatoes needs to be cooked really very well and it needs to turn soft and mushy. That is when the flavor of the rasam enhances and taste well. Now the tomato has turned mushy. Now I'm adding in the blended paste. Now just give it a good mix just for a minute because it will not take long because we have previously roasted our spices really very well. Just give it a good mix till the tomatoes are combined very well. Trust me, your house will smell divine. Now add in some salt to taste along with some turmeric powder. Now I'm adding in some tamarind juice and then give it a good mix it all well and combine it. Next what I'm doing is adding water because rasam means it is a thin consistency. Here I'm adding in hot water. Always add hot water and add in coriander leaves at this stage because the coriander leaves flavors also needs to get enhanced in our rasam. Give it a good mix and the rasam needs to come to a rolling boil like this. That is when the flavor of all the spices along with the tomatoes are combined and the taste enhances. Finally garnish it again with some fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with the hot rice and sides of your choice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.